And there you have it. That was the last mow of the year. In principle, it is now time to store your mower for the winter so that it will be in great shape for next spring. But before doing anything, since we are going to clean our mower now, the first thing to do, and this is the most important, is to disconnect the spark plug. Let's start with our basket. For this, you will use a pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, a simple water spray might be sufficient. And then you will mainly remove the weeds, clear all the cavities, and make sure to unclog the cavities. Take your time, it's very important. And above all, at the entrance of your basket, it needs to be as smooth as possible so that in the spring the grass can easily rise into the basket. Now, we will take care of the lower part of the mower where the blade is located. To do this, you will need to tip your mower, but not just any way, as the carburetor must always be in the upper part. Now let's move on to the cleaning. A simple jet of water is sufficient. Rather avoid the pressure washer, since water may rise into the engine afterwards and cause rust. So, using a broom and a spatula will be enough to clean the housing properly. It needs to be as clean as possible. Now we will take care of the tank, since there is always a little bit of gasoline left. You may have filled up your gasoline. You are going to empty the gasoline from the tank. It is essential that there is not a single drop of gasoline left inside. To ensure this, simply restart your mower. You will of course reinsert the spark plug to completely empty the tank. Let's take care of the engine now. Since our spark plug is disconnected, we will remove it and take the opportunity to lubricate the cylinder. And for that, it's quite simple. You just need to put a small spoonful of oil inside. So, tilt your mower slightly so that you can easily slide the oil inside. This oil will at least have the ability to prevent the cylinder from rusting this winter. Once you have poured your oil, you screw in your spark plug, not completely, and above all, you do not reconnect your spark plug. Now that our mower is practically dry, we will wipe it down with a clean cloth and apply a lubricant so that the housing does not rust next winter. There are also other hidden places that may rust this winter. These are the cables. For this, you should apply a lubricant inside so that your cables slide well next spring, not forgetting the wheels of your mower. There you go. Now your mower is practically ready for winter. Just make sure to check the oil levels to ensure they are at the correct level. Also check the condition of your mower's blade. If it needs sharpening or even replacing, now is the time to do it. Now you reposition your mower in a dry place in the garage, and next spring I promise it will start with just a little white smoke, because don't forget, you put oil on the cylinder.